because I'm not trying to be retwisting my 2-strand twist every other day because the rubber bands want to bust. Like, who has time for that? Hey, welcome back to my channel. So as you can tell by the title, this video is going to be about 7 styles that you can do with 2-strand twists when you have locks. So as you can see, my locks has been twisted, and I did this about a week ago. And I love it, honestly. And by the way, if you have not and you are not following me on TikTok, make sure you do that, because on TikTok I post a lot of different videos about my locks and things like that. And I have recently posted a TikTok about me 2-strand twisting my locks the wrong direction. If you know, you know. Sometimes it can get a little tricky when you're 2-strand twisting your own locks and you think you're going the right way, but you're actually going the wrong way. And then you find out when it's a little too late. So I'll insert that TikTok here. And make sure you guys are following me. All right, let's hop right into this video. Okay, so for the first style, we're gonna keep it nice and simple. When you have your 2-strand twist, you can just wear your hair down and wear it to the side, because that's super cute. You don't really have to do much, you know, and I think it looks super cute. What do you think? And you can just tuck this side behind your ear, whichever side you decide to wear to the side. That was a lot of sides, but you get the point. Moving right along, the next style is going to be a high ponytail with 2 bangs. So I'm going to use these 2 bangs, well, these 2-strand twists to bring to the front, and they will be my 2 bangs. And then I will gather the rest of my locks up so it can be nice and high. And by the way, I'm looking at a mirror right here. You don't see me looking directly at the camera. That's why. Okay, so I have all my locks gathered, and now I'm gonna use 2 large rubber bands to wrap them around. Make sure all my locks go through and under. Okay. And then now I'm just pulling my locks to make sure they're straight and that they're all pulled through the rubber band. All right, so this is the second look. High ponytail with 2 bangs. I'll show you how the back looks. I actually like this. This is super cute. So this is number 2. So the next style is going to be somewhat similar, but instead of just a high centered ponytail, we're going to do a high side ponytail, and we're going to do it with 1 bang. I switched my bang because if my ponytail doesn't go to the right, then I want my bang to come from the left side of my head. But it's your preference how you want yours to look. Okay, this short piece in the back act like it don't want to go up. So I'm gonna leave it down for now, and I'm gonna show y'all how I hide that at the end. Okay, so I have this piece, and what I'm gonna do, turn this. I'm just going to tuck that underneath some other locks like that to hide it. Now, if you want to go the extra mile to hide the rubber band, feel free to do that. And you can do that by taking one of the longer locks and just wrapping it around like that and just tuck it under the base of the ponytail like that. Now I'm just going to pull these out to the side like I did the other style. What do you guys think? I like this style. Would I really wear it out? I don't know. If I was to do it, like really do it up, I will probably make sure that my side ponytail comes a little bit more forward to the front so it sits up like that. Because right now it's like that, you know what I mean? I bring it a little bit forward to the front so it can sit up like that, and I think that would be super cute. You catch the vibe. The next style is going to be a high bun with bangs. Oh no. Saturday. Good thing I have a backup. So, in my mind, when I said high bun with bangs, what did I envision? Oh, I remember. So, pull my head down. Okay, so the bangs are actually going to come from the bun. I think that's what I envision. So it'll look like that. I'm just tucking in some of the ends and doing it like that. Yeah, that was quick. So yeah, high messy bun with bangs. And the back is just swooped up. What do you guys think about this style? I don't know, I think I really like this style a lot. What do you think? Comment down below. This is cute. And imagine if you had some hair jewels you can put at the ends to dress it up, or put it throughout the bun. Like, I think that'd be super cute. So yeah, I like this one. Okay, so moving along, the next style is going to be two low ponytails with bangs. Just using my hands to separate the two. And I'm making sure that the ponytail is behind my ear. And I'm gonna do the same with this side. So I have 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Okay. What do you guys think? I think I look cute and innocent, which I am. Now we're on to style number 6, which will be very simple because we're going to keep these same two low ponytails, and we're just going to gather one side of the bangs to the other side, and we're going to create some kind of like swoop bang. Like that. And I'm going to use some bobby pins to secure it. Your locks might be long enough or not layered to where you don't have to use bobby pins. You can literally just swoop it and just tuck. but mine requires bobby pins. So I'm going to bobby pin these down. Oh, well, I'll be. And I'll just bobby pin that one too. I think what would also be super cute if you had like some different color bobby pins, maybe all gold, all silver, depending on what your outfit is. That could dress it up really nicely as well if you want to do like that, you know, that trend, which I don't even know if it's a trend anymore, but with the bobby pins going down. Okay, this is cute. All right. So simple, 2 low ponytails, nice swoop bang. That's for style number 6. Okay. Now we're gonna move on to the last style, which is gonna be a cute and simple half up, half down, easy peasy. Thank you for watching this video all the way to the end. I appreciate you if you're still here. Your view matters. All right, so half up, half down. It's your choice if you want to have bangs or not for this style. I'm going to say no front bangs, but I'll do little side pieces. So I'll leave 1 2-strand twist down on each side. And I usually choose the one that's closest to my ear in the front. So, yeah, pull that up. Cute little half up, half down. Like that. And boom. This one's super cute. I do this style quite often, so that's why it really didn't take me no time to get that done. But yeah, cute little half up, half down. If you have some hair jewels, you might want to add them. What? Y'all, I feel like at some point I'm going to end up replacing these rubber bands with the large ones at the end. But anyways, this is the last style. I hope you guys like this. I think it's super cute. You can wear this style when you don't even have 2-strand twists, but when you have 2-strand twists, it kind of adds to the look, in my opinion. But yeah, if you have hair jewels, feel free to dress it up how you want to. If you want to take it up, kick it up a notch, wrap one of the locks around the rubber band so the rubber band is not seen, and just tuck it under like that. Now you can't see the rubber band, you know? It's cute, simple, straight to the point. Well, thank you all so much for watching this video. This was just supposed to be a cute, fun video to show you different styles that you can do when you have 2-strand twists. If you haven't checked out my most recent video, make sure you watch this video to the end. I'll make sure to link it. Check that out. Also, check the description box below. I have links to the other videos that I've published, and I think that you all will like my tutorials. So, thank you. And if you're not a subscriber, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I appreciate your support so much. And also, if you have your own channel with your tutorials, make sure you comment down below so I can check out your page and show you the love that you show me. Okay? All right, y'all. See you in the next video.